Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So if you're curious about the Skyscanner affiliate program, I can share my personal experience after actually using it for a few months. As a Shopify store owner, I was looking for ways to add an additional stream of income to my travel-related content, and this program turned out to be a great fit. Right from the start, I loved how easy it was to integrate into my website and social media channels. Whether you're embedding affiliate links in blog posts, placing widgets in the sidebar, or sharing deep links via social media, Skyscanner makes the process seamless. The sign-up process was straightforward, and once I got access, I immediately noticed how well organized their dashboard is. It tracks clicks, bookings, and commissions clearly, so I always know how my performance is doing without any confusion. If you've ever felt lost in the weeds of other affiliate dashboards, you'll appreciate the user-friendly design of Skyscanner's interface. It's intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. What really impressed me was the variety of tools they offer for affiliates. You can create custom search boxes, widgets, and deep links to specific flights, hotels, or car rentals, which made it easy to match content with what my audience was looking for. For example, I tried adding a flight search widget to one of my travel blog posts, and the engagement was higher than I expected because users could search for flights directly on my site without being redirected awkwardly to another page. The beauty of this is that it keeps the user experience on your site smooth and seamless, encouraging more clicks and ultimately more bookings. If your audience is actively searching for travel deals, this tool is a game changer. You're not just linking out, you're providing an experience, and that's a great way to build trust and encourage action. Commission-wise, it's pretty decent. You earn a percentage of the revenue generated from bookings made through your affiliate links. While it's not instant, meaning you won't see your earnings immediately after a click, it's worth noting that payouts are reliable and transparent. The structure is easy to follow, and you won't be left guessing about when or how much you'll be paid. For Shopify store owners looking to monetize travel content, this program fits nicely into your broader affiliate marketing strategy. Plus, I also appreciated that Skyscanner supports multiple currencies, which is a huge plus if you're targeting international audiences. This flexibility makes it easier to track international traffic and earnings, allowing you to cast a wider net and diversify your revenue streams. In terms of support, I had a few questions about tracking parameters, and their affiliate manager was quick to respond, giving me clear instructions and tips to improve my links. Whether you're just starting out or already running an affiliate program, Skyscanner's support team is there to guide you through any roadblocks. One thing I noticed is that results can vary depending on traffic and location. So, if most of your audience is in regions with high flight demand, the program works really well. For instance, if you have a lot of followers based in Europe or North America, they'll likely see more flights and deals that appeal to them, meaning better conversions for you. The reporting tools helped me optimize which pages and links were performing best, so I could focus on the content that actually converted. This is vital because it allows you to adjust your strategy in real time. If you see that certain pages or destinations are more popular, you can shift your focus to those areas to maximize your earnings. Overall, I found the Skyscanner affiliate program to be user-friendly, reliable, and genuinely profitable if you're consistent with your content and audience engagement. It's not one of those affiliate programs where you set it up and forget it. You need to continuously engage with your audience and provide valuable content for maximum success. For me, it has become a solid way to monetize my travel content without complicated setups or hidden rules. The simplicity of the program is what I appreciate the most. It's straightforward, professional, and gives enough flexibility to customize links and widgets to fit my website style. If you're running a Shopify store that includes any travel-related products or content, adding Skyscanner affiliate links is an easy win to diversify your income. I would definitely recommend it to anyone in the travel niche looking for a trustworthy affiliate program with good tracking and support. Whether you're a beginner or more experienced, it's a solid program that can fit into any affiliate marketing strategy.